Welcome to video number 22. In this video I am going to discuss about the heap table, covering index and index with included column. So last video I already discussed about the execution plan. So what is the estimated execution plan and what is the actual execution plan, how you can generate with the estimated execution plan and the actual execution plan. So I already discussed in the detail. So if you not get a chance, please watch the video number 21st because this is the very important and the related to the video number 22. So let's start the concept of the what is the heap table and what is the covering index and what is the index with the included column. So let's discuss one by one. Okay, so what is the exactly heap table is there? So basically in the indexing part, so whenever we have the table and the table doesn't have any cluster index or the primary key, that table is called the heap table. Okay, so heap table can contain the non-cluster index. So when the non-cluster index is there, so the performance is good, but if there is no non-cluster index and if you try to retrieve the data from the heap table, okay, it will performance will be poor performance. So if there are no non-cluster indexes defined when the table is query, all the data would be have the scan and sorted in almost all cases, leading to very poor performance. Okay, so basically always the table if there is no cluster index or the no non-cluster index, the performance will be always very poor. But if the table doesn't contain the any cluster index or the primary key, because the primary key if you created by default the cluster indexes got created, so that table will be not part of the heap table. So if table have the primary key, if the table have the cluster index, that is not the heap table. But if the table doesn't have the primary key, if the table doesn't have the any cluster index, that table is called the heap table. So in the interview interviewer will ask you the question, what is the heap table, and in the heap table is there any indexes is there like cluster or non-cluster. So you can say in the heap table there might be possibility that non-cluster indexes will be available but cluster indexes will be not there. Okay, so I will discuss about the how you can see in the SQL Server Management Studio about the heap table or not. So let's cover the second concept, which is the covering index. Okay, so the name seems covering. Okay, so covering index in the name same like the cover all the indexes, like the if suppose if you use the 10 column into the query, like where the in the join or the filtration part or the where clauses and all the column have created the clustered or non-clustered indexes, that is the called the covering index. Okay, so each and every column whatever the use in the code that will created the non-cluster indexes, because we cannot create more than one cluster index, so always we need to go with the non-cluster indexes, that is the called the covering index. Okay, so now the next concept is there, what is the index with the included column. Okay, so basically when we talk about the indexes, okay, so indexes is the way which is the include the which is the increase the performance of the code. So whenever we index created with included column is a non-cluster index that also include non-key column in the leaf node. Okay, so whenever we create the non-cluster indexes, we need to include one terminology, that is the include, and within the bracket we need to use the non-key one column name is there. Okay, that will be I will discuss in the practically. So now you can see I am creating one non-cluster index and on the product table, and the name and the column name is the name, but we included the product number. Okay, because the product number and product name both should be the some pointing the uniqueness purpose. Okay, so each product have the unique each product name have the unique product number. So that is the reason if you include the product number, definitely the performance will be go up. Okay, the performance will be go up. So let's start with the see the how the performance is up. Let's jump to the SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so and discuss all one by one. So what is the heap table? So heap table, how you can know this is a heap table or not. So I created one duplicate table by using the into, and just you can click on the include execution plan, which is I already discussed in the last video. And once you execute this date any code or query, the one query execution plan will be created for this. So here if there is any table scan is there, okay, so here any table scan is there, that is the mean this table is the heap table is there. If index seek or index scan is there, it means this is not the heap table. So just you can remember only one thing, that is if the table scan is there, it means this table is the heap table. Okay, now the next one is the covering index. Covering index is the same. Here you can see I use the product where product name is equal to cable lock. Okay, so here I using the name for the filtration column name. So this column name is a part of the non-cluster indexes. So you can see this is the part of the non-cluster indexes. So this index is already created. So when you execute this one, the performance will be go up. Okay, so now you can see the performance will go up definitely. So now the next concept was the index with the included column. So whenever you creating the non-cluster indexes, just you can include the include option here, and this is the product number. Okay, so name, product name, because this table if you put the product number and the name, so you will get the entire detail. Okay, so entire detail of the product and product name. So each product name have the unique product number. Okay, each name of the unique product number. So if you talk about this table only, so each and every product you can see we have the unique product number. Okay, so that is the reason if you include this product number in the indexing, definitely the performance will be go up. So this is the all about the this is all about the advanced indexes, heap table, covering index, and the index with included column. Next video I will discuss about in more detail about the filter indexes and column store indexes, because for the interview point of view this is the also very important. Okay, because normally someone know only the what is the cluster index, not cluster index, but interviewer they will ask you this type of the question. So you can, if you give this type of the answer, definitely there is some chances to increase the chances of the selection. Okay, so keep watching all the video series, don't miss, so that video is very helpful you to crack any type of the interview of the SQL. So thank you so much for the watching this video. I will meet again on next video.